Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing, really I'm packing for the move. So I'm packing up all of my body care items. So I just wanted to share, since I have them all out to pack, I thought it would be good to share with you my collection. So I'm gonna start off with shower gels, as you can see. So I have 2 almond blossoms, I have an apple blossom, boardwalk taffy, endless weekend, pearberry, confetti cake pop, aromatherapy comfort vanilla and patchouli, vanilla bean noel, 3 1,000 wishes, and then these ones over here are Corey's, the bourbon, country apple, and graphite. He actually has a freshwater in the shower as well, so I'll leave that for him, and then I'll leave out probably my Project Pan ones just to continue to work on, but everything else is getting packed. So I'm gonna rotate you over here. Hopefully you can see okay. So this is all of the body lotions. So over here on the corner we have vanilla bean, Bali mango, margarita cupcake, gingham, frosted coconut snowball, pink watermelon, saltwater breeze, bora bora, a few little minis, aromatherapy sleep, and then also champagne toast. And then in the black bottle, it's aromatherapy inspire, which is violet, sandalwood, and eucalyptus. Also in the back, I have this aromatherapy lotion in stress relief, eucalyptus and tea. I like to keep that one standing just so it stays settled. Over here, snowflakes and cashmere, raspberry tangerine, pink chiffon, Paris Amour, winter candy apple, vanilla bean noel, and velvet sugar. So same with this, I'll probably just keep out these 2 that are in my Project Pan, and the stress relief just because I use this one like very frequently. Everything else is getting packed. Oh boy, okay. We're starting to get into my big problem areas. So this is the body creams. So starting over here, we have the mini Sunset Glow, wild strawberry, marshmallow pumpkin latte, pink velvet cupcake. This sweet cinnamon pumpkin, it's technically in my collection, but I'm actually going to exchange it most likely for white pumpkin and chai. So it's here for now, just as a placeholder, but really I'm going to exchange it. Daydream, coconut palm, pink watermelon, Waikiki beach coconut, aromatherapy calm, cedarwood and orange, whipped vanilla chiffon, coconut pineapple, endless weekend, boardwalk taffy, and I actually have my boardwalk taffy backup just above it. I like to keep those differentiated, like which one's the backup and which one's opened. Dream in the sky, confetti cake pop, Bali black coconut sands, margarita cupcake, and then another mini in pretty as a peach. Okay, moving over here to the fine fragrance mix. Gotta reposition myself. So starting over here in the corner, we have whipped vanilla chiffon, pink watermelon, coconut palm, soak in the sun, pink chiffon, dream in the sky, pink velvet cupcake, champagne apple and honey, and marshmallow pumpkin latte. These are just my 3 Victoria's Secret. I have 2 bare vanillas and a warm and cozy. And then 2 more minis, Bali black coconut sands, pretty as a peach, Waikiki beach coconut, boardwalk taffy, endless weekend, coconut pineapple, agave papaya sunset, margarita cupcake, confetti cake pop. And then these are like my backup stash. I have 2 dream in the sky and then a boardwalk taffy. And then let's continue to pan over. So I only have 1 Bath & Body Works scrub. It's in Sunset Glow. This over here, this random assortment, this is like my hand creams and my foot creams, which I'm actually gonna put some on right now because my hands, as you can maybe tell, they're so incredibly dry. So I have these 2 lotions from Victoria's Secret. Yeah, they're literally just called lotion. They're so, like, not that they don't provide any moisture, but the consistency is so thin that I don't think I could really ever use those on my actual body to provide any moisture, so I can include them as hand creams. Anyway, these are my Bath & Body Works ones. So coconut macaroon, warm vanilla sugar, pink velvet cupcake, Mary cookie, boardwalk taffy, vanilla buttercream, strawberry pound cake. Honestly, all of these I've either gotten for like $1 at SAS, like $2 during that sale, or usually I redeem them as like my free item. So yeah, that's why I have so many. At first I didn't really like them, but I actually think they are very beneficial and easy to throw in your bag as opposed to throwing in a whole body cream to use on your hands or like a whole lotion. So that's why I have this many. Also, I have a Trader Joe's Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. This is like ultra moisturizing, like it says. I have the Glossier Hand Cream. And then these are my 2 foot creams. I mean, I mostly just use them for my feet. That's why I consider them that. It's the Trader Joe's Pumpkin Body Butter and then the Coconut Body Butter. So my last little category I want to share with you guys, this is all like miscellaneous. I hope I can get it all. Oh, this isn't working very well. Okay, it looks okay. So basically this whole section is just like non-Bath & Body Works stuff, but I do have it counted in my other collections. So I have an Equate Eczema Smoothing Moisture Cream. So this I just use if I'm having like really bad dry patches or itchy patches, like flare-ups, that type of thing. It says it's comparable to the Aveeno eczema therapy lotion, so I don't know, I've never had any problems with it. I really think it is pretty close to the Aveeno one. The Aveeno one is a little bit better, but not worth the price difference. I have 3 Doves, so a Deep Moisture, the Restoring, and the Winter Care, which I recently just picked up. This one we have going in the shower right now, so I'll probably just keep this one out and then pack the other 2. I also have a Baby Dove backup, just like sensitive feminine wash. I also have that St. Ives Coconut Water and Orchid. Absolutely love that, but it's more like summery. It's definitely not the season we're in. I have a Johnson's Baby Oil, 2 Dove White Bars. I have this Dove Silky Nourishment body cream. This stuff, I got it at Marshall's. It's so lovely. Like the texture is just perfect for what I want in like a body cream. I absolutely love it. I have this one Scentsy Sugar Scrub in Butter Pecan. I like barely have this ripped open just to smell it. This is definitely like a fall. Oh my gosh, can I even get it open? Yeah, I literally like barely have it open just to smell what it's like. I'm excited to use this, but I'm really trying to use up my Sunset Glow Scrub first. So, I don't know. And then I just have these 2 body lotions. I have this Dr. Teal's, and then I have this Equate, which is comparable to the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant Lotion. I don't know. I'm personally a fan of buying the Equate or like the Up and Up discounted stuff. I sometimes like to try both of them just to see how they compare, but I never have an issue with the Up and Up stuff. I haven't tried like their off-brand CeraVe Equate stuff just because that scares me a little bit, but that might be the next thing I venture into. We'll see. Kind of getting off topic, but I just wanted to say, like, I really don't think the Equate is like a lesser value even though you're paying less. So that is the overview of my body care collection. No, I don't really need more, so I don't need a reminder. This is reminder enough. But yeah, it's always good to take all this out and really see what you have. But I do have this all in my inventory. It was good to take this all out and verify my inventory numbers as well because I had a few categories that were a little bit off. So yeah, that's what I did. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything, which I think will really help me focus on my project pan items because everything else will be packed away and I won't have access to it. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.